Assalamualaikum student. Today we will discuss solution of simultaneous linear equation by inverse matrix method. First of all, we will discuss generally the inverse of matrix. So let we have ax plus by is equal to m cx plus dy is equal to n. So we separate a, b, c and d. We give the name A matrix and X is equal to xy, B is equal to mn. So Ax is equal to B. Here we find the value of x. So x is equal to A inverse B. We know that A inverse of a matrix is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. So we find the determinant of A to check that this is singular matrix or non-singular matrix. If it is non-singular, then we proceed the question. We find the inverse determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to A, B and C and D is equal to A, D minus BC is not equal to 0, which is not equal to 0. So it is non-singular. So we can proceed the question. We put the value of A inverse in this equation. X is equal to adjoint of A and determinant of A multiply B. We find the determinant of A, then now we find the adjoint of A. In adjoint of A, we change diagonal, we replace the diagonal entries and change the sign of non-diagonal entries. So X is equal to adjoint of A is equal to D A minus B minus C. So we find determinant of A and adjoint of A. Now we put the value of adjoint and determinant of A in this equation. D minus B minus C A multiply B. Here we put the value of B, M and N. डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू हमारे पास आई है ए डी माइनस बी सी. So we multiply these two matrices. dm minus bn minus cn and an AD माइनस BC. अब इनसे क्या हो रहा है, डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, x इज इक्वल टू dm माइनस bn ओवर AD माइनस BC, सिमिलरली माइनस cn an over AD minus BC. So it is equal to x and y. ऊपर वाली जो वैल्यू है वो x की है एंड नीचे वाले y की वैल्यू है. So we find generally the value of x by inverse matrix method. So next we take an example of inverse matrix method. Allah Hafiz students.